Have you ever wondered what skills truly shape a successful life? Not just financially, but in every aspect. In today's fast-paced world, mastering certain skills can be the key to not only thriving, but excelling. What if I told you that the most important skills are also the hardest to master, but the rewards are worth every challenge? In this video, we'll reveal the 15 critical skills that will transform your personal and professional life. Stick around, because if you miss even one of these, you might be selling yourself short on the life you deserve. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights that can change your life. 1. Mastering the art of learning. Learning how to learn is the ultimate skill that unlocks the door to endless opportunities. Once you understand that any skill can be acquired, the world feels like an open playground. For example, successful entrepreneurs often teach themselves coding, marketing, or even new languages to expand their business globally. 2. Adapt, improvise, and overcome. Life throws unexpected challenges your way, and the ability to adapt is what sets you apart. Those who survive and thrive are the ones who find creative solutions to obstacles. Think of how businesses pivoted during the pandemic. Those that adapted, like restaurants offering delivery, managed to stay afloat. 3. Clearing your mind for better focus. Mental clarity is essential for understanding yourself and the world around you. It helps you cut through distractions and focus on what truly matters. Meditation is a great example, as many CEOs, like Steve Jobs, practiced mindfulness to keep their minds sharp and clear. 4. Verbalizing thoughts and emotions. Being able to express what you feel and think can make or break relationships, whether personal or professional. Communication is key to resolving conflicts and achieving mutual understanding. In the workplace, for instance, employees who articulate their ideas clearly are often the ones who get promoted. 5. The power of selling and negotiating. Every interaction is a negotiation, whether you're closing a business deal or simply deciding where to go for dinner. Knowing how to sell your ideas is crucial in all aspects of life. A real-world example is job interviews, where you must sell your skills and experience to land the position. 6. The importance of listening. Sometimes, the most valuable thing you can do in a conversation is listen. When you listen actively, you gain insights that could change your perspective. Take Warren Buffett, for instance. He's known for listening more than he talks, allowing him to make well-informed investment decisions. 7. Self-motivation as the fuel for success. The ability to push yourself forward is what separates doers from dreamers. Self-motivation ignites that first spark and keeps the momentum going. Athletes like Michael Jordan used self-motivation to push through injuries and tough games, always staying focused on their goals. 8. Building and maintaining discipline. Discipline ensures that you stick to your commitments even when the excitement fades. It's what turns a single good day into a lifelong habit. Think of Olympians who train for years, maintaining discipline to achieve their goals despite many challenges along the way. 9. Mastering energy management. Not all tasks require the same kind of energy, so managing your mental, emotional, and physical energy is key to productivity. High performers like Elon Musk batch similar tasks together, ensuring they optimize their focus and energy throughout the day. 10. Reading and understanding for growth. Reading is a fast track to learning from others' experiences and mistakes. Successful people often credit reading for their knowledge and insights. Bill Gates, for example, reads 50 books a year to stay ahead in both business and technology. 11. Breaking down big goals into small steps. When you have a big goal, breaking it down into smaller, actionable steps makes it achievable. This is how top businesses operate, setting quarterly and annual targets to stay on track. It's like wanting to save $10,000. Starting with $500 a month makes it more manageable. 12. Self-analysis for continuous improvement. You can only improve what you track and measure. Whether it's finances, fitness, or personal growth, self-analysis is the cornerstone of progress. Weightlifters, for example, track every workout to monitor progress and adjust their routines for better results. 13. Developing emotional intelligence. Understanding your emotions and those of others can greatly improve your interpersonal relationships. Emotional intelligence helps leaders manage their teams effectively, creating a harmonious work environment. Oprah Winfrey's success is often attributed to her high emotional intelligence and ability to connect with people. 14. Self-respect and setting boundaries. Knowing your worth allows you to set boundaries and demand respect from others. People with high self-respect are less likely to be taken advantage of and more likely to command respect in their personal and professional lives. Think of influential figures like Malala Yousafzai, who stands firm in her values and beliefs. 15. Generating valuable ideas. Your mind is like fertile soil. Whatever you plant in it will grow. The ability to generate valuable ideas can lead to innovation and success. Entrepreneurs like Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx, turned a simple idea into a billion-dollar company by nurturing her creativity. If you're eager to build a life of financial freedom and personal growth, check out our previous videos where we explore even more ways to get there and uncover some surprises you might not expect along the way. Don't forget to click the link in the description to learn more and subscribe for even more life-changing content.